Bro, I need some curry or something, bro. Like.
Ajo.
Wanna do it?
Ajo.
This is Pablo.
You can bark with him. Why are you scared now? You bark all the time. Yeah.
We'll do a barking fight, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I want it.
He's a good boy. Come on, we be friends with him.
I can't even touch him, bro.
Yeah, you can.
Come here, boy. Come here, Pookie.
He won't. Just come here.
Bro, you say that about every animal you got, and they always somehow bit me.
He's a good boy. Just
Hey, see, look, he about to bite you, bro.
No, bro. He's just playing around. That's it.
What's his name?
His name is Pablo.
Pablo, you want the taco, Pablo? Chat. Yo, chat, do I pet him or no, y'all? Chat, do I pet him or no? Chat, do I pet him or no?